In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute notifications from a board on Monday.com. If you're getting too many updates from a specific board and want to quiet things down without leaving the board entirely. This is a quick and useful setting to know. Muting notifications can help you stay focused while still keeping the board available whenever you need to check in manually. To begin, open the board in Monday.com, where you want to stop receiving notifications. Once you're on the board page, look at the board title area and click the drop-down in the title. This opens a menu with additional board options and settings. After that menu appears, move to the notifications option. Click on notifications to open the notification settings for that board. This is where Monday.com lets you control what kinds of alerts you want to receive, if any, from the board you're currently viewing. Next, click on Everything. This section typically shows the current notification preference level for the board. Opening it allows you to change how much activity from this board can trigger alerts for you. If you've been receiving updates for all activity, this is the setting you'll want to adjust. From there, click on Mute All. Choosing this option tells Monday.com that you no longer want to receive notifications from this board. This is especially helpful if the board is very active, if you only need to reference it occasionally, or if you want to reduce distractions during the workday. Once you've selected that option, click on Save to confirm the change. Saving is important because without it, your updated notification preference may not be applied. After you save, the board's notifications should be muted. That means you should stop getting alerts related to activity from that specific board. Keep in mind that this only affects that board, so notifications from other boards or areas in Monday.com may still continue as usual. If you ever decide you want those updates again, you can return to the same notification settings and change the preference back. That makes this a flexible option if your workload or priorities shift over time. And that's all it takes to mute notifications from a board on Monday.com. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in keeping your workspace quieter and more manageable.